Welcome everyone to this video tutorial on how to install and use the DNotes Trading Bot. Now I will include instructions in the description of the video for where you can find the bot and download it, and the bot will be uploaded to our GitHub and also to the DNotes Coin website. Now the bot can be used at two exchanges. They are Stex Exchange and Bittrex Exchange, and you can use the bot on any trading pair at either of them. So in front of me, I have Stex Exchange open, and I've got it open to the DNotes market. And what the bot essentially allows us to do is to pick a buy price and a sell price, and the bot will make a buy at that price, then automatically sell when the market gets to your sell price, and then it will set an order back down to the buy price. And it just kind of does it in a recurring manner. So if we look at the market here, the current DNotes price is 233 Satoshis, and I could set a buy there, and I could tell the bot to sell at 260. And then when the market price goes to 260, the bot will automatically sell, and it will put a buy again down at 233. Now the really cool thing is you can have multiple of these bots. So we could have one at 233 to 260. We could have another at 220 to 280, and then say a third one at 200 all the way up to 300, and it will just keep buying and selling however we've told it to. Now, this is called a grid strategy, and it allows us to make the most of volatility in the market. So I've got a little paint drawing that I've got here to kind of try and illustrate how that could look. And so we've got bot 1's buy and sell prices are here, bot 2 and bot 3 and so forth. So let's say this black line here is what the current market price is. And what we're hoping for is that the price will come down a little bit and it will trigger the first bot's buy. It triggers the second bot's buy. And then as the market begins to recover, the first bot will sell here, the second bot will sell here, and then it will come back down. Bot 1 buys, bot 2 buys, bot 3 buys, and then come up and bot 1, 2, and 3 all sell, and kind of rinse, repeat. So we're buying at all of these points, and the bot would automatically be selling at all of these points. And this is how we can make money from a bit of volatility in the markets. But anyway, now I'm going to show you how you can install the bot. So once you've downloaded the bot and extracted it, you need to run the DNotes.Trading Bot file. And up will come the DNotes Pay paywall that's in front of the bot. So what we have to do is I'm going to choose 1 day here for 50 cents. And okay, and now it's saying that I need to pay 53.6 DNotes to this address here. So if I pull up my DNotes wallet, bring this over to the side, if I copy the amount and put it in there, and copy this address, throw it up here, I'm going to press send, and you need to put in your wallet password. Well, I do anyway. And then we'll get a sent transaction confirmation. And now it could take 1 to 2 minutes for the DNotes blockchain to recognize that the payment has been made, but the bot will automatically unlock for us to use at that point. And that's one of the really cool things about using DNotes Pay, is that it allows merchants and buyers of software or digital products or anything really to automatically transact directly with one another without intermediaries. And now you can see here that the bot is now asking for my API keys, which we need for the bot to be able to communicate with the exchange. And we can get those by going to our profile settings at each of the exchanges. So I'm going to start with Stex, and I'm going to go up to here where it says DNotes Bot and click Profile. And if I go down to Account Settings, it will have my API key and my API secret. So if I copy those one by one, and copy that one, And when it comes to Bittrex, this is a new account I just made for this video, so I don't have two-factor authentication enabled. But all you have to do is go to your profile area and then come down here to API keys. And as you can see, I don't have that available to me right now. But going back to the bot, we then need to set ourselves a password. Click save, and then the bot will unlock. So the next step is to select the market that we want to trade in. And in this case, I've chosen DNotes. So I'm going to click on available markets and then go down to DNotes, which is under Note. So I'm going to click on Note for BTC, which stands for Bitcoin. And now the other important thing that we need to tell the bot is whether we're going to enter the market with a buy or a sell order. So if you only have Bitcoin in your account, then you will need to enter the market with a buy order to buy DNotes. However, if you're like me with this particular account and you've only got a few DNotes in it, my first order will need to be a sell. So I'm going to click sell. Then I'm going to go take a look at the actual market. And if I scroll down a bit, I can see all of the buy and sell orders that are on there. And I can see that the current lowest sell order is for 242 Satoshis, and the current highest buy order is for 230 Satoshis. So if I wanted, I could make it so that my bot automatically sells DNotes at 241 Satoshis and then buys automatically at 231, or just above and below the current buy and sell orders. So that's what I'm going to do. And if I go back to the bot, I'm going to tell it to sell first at 241 Satoshis, and I'm going to tell it to sell 10 DNotes at that price. Now I'm going to go over to the subsequent buy, put in 231 Satoshis, and tell it to buy 10 DNotes at that price. And then I'm just going to click on Add Bot. And then the bot will show up in our open orders right here with all of our information that we put into it. And if we go to the actual exchange, we can now see that there is our 10 DNotes sell order, which is to be sold at 241 Satoshi. And then once somebody in the market buys that, the bot will automatically bounce it across over to the buy wall at 231, and it just keeps doing that in perpetuity. And that, everyone, is a basic introduction into how to use the DNotes Trading Bot. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and we'll see you next time.